Hey sweethearts, welcome back to my 5th eating support video. Today, or well tonight, I already ate dinner, as I usually do. I actually remember when I said that I really want to eat breakfast for this video, but yesterday was just not the time. It was really hard to sit down and actually record during breakfast time and also throughout the entire day. And same thing with today, actually. It was like everything was just all over the place and I didn't really have a moment. But now I do, and it happens to be around the time that I usually do. And that's like after I eat dinner. So, I'm eating like a little snack and I just have 2 bowls of fruit. One has grapes and the other one has oranges. And I have a cup of raspberry tea. I feel like that's kind of a weird drink to have with fruit, but I don't know, I like it. I love tea. And I think you all may know that too, as much as I love fruit also. But anyways, I hope whatever you may have with you, you have a drink too. Maybe water, maybe also tea, coffee, whatever it may be. And with that being said, let's take the first bite together. So we're gonna go on 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I think I may have an obsession over fruit. I don't know. I've just been eating so much fruit lately, and I mean, I haven't really always eaten fruit my entire life. Like I've always eaten it, but I've never had this much in such a short amount of time. Because I've been eating grapes, oranges, as I have in front of me, watermelon, bananas a lot too, um, strawberries, not so much though. Uh, I think I'm missing something, but I just can't remember. A little bit of pineapple. But I've just been eating a lot of fruit. I mean, it's good for you though. So, if anyone out there is like me, let me know. I'm curious to see how many of you actually love fruit just as much as I do. I feel like it's kind of good though that I am doing this because I've actually kind of been eating a lot of ice cream and stuff. Like a lot of just sugary things in general. And I know I just really shouldn't be. Like every other day, I have something that's just not good. Just as a whole. Like literally today, I had if you're familiar with Haagen-Dazs, their actual little shops, I went to one and I got a small cookies and cream dazzler. If you don't know what that is, it's just vanilla ice cream with hot fudge, Oreo bits crushed up, whipped cream, maybe that's it actually. But it's a lot though. It's a really big cup, and I ate the entire thing. So, and I've just been doing that recently. So I'm gonna try to stop doing that. And if any of you are just like me, try and eat more fruit because I feel like it might be a little helpful to do that instead of eating ice cream and stuff like that all the time. But anyways, I hope everyone is doing well during this day, afternoon, evening, nighttime, whatever it is. I hope all of you are doing good. And if not, I hope everything will get better for you. And I also hope that this audio helps you feel a little bit better too, because we're eating together. And, that's why I make these, to make it easier to sit down and eat, because you have someone, talking to you. And we're both eating together, so it makes it like a more enjoyable experience. And I actually really love making these too. Like, they're a lot of fun. I never really thought I would like them so much, but I don't know, I do. It makes, like, my meals better, honestly, just knowing that someone else is eating, like, listening to this, like I really do, like, I also feel like I'm eating with all of you. So, I don't know, it just makes it so much nicer. And, not to mention, that it lets me ramble on for extended periods of time about literally anything, because I still just don't come in with the topic. I just sort of talk, which is good. I know a lot of people like listening to me ramble, so I guess it's also a good thing for that. And actually, one thing that I do want to say that isn't really much of rambling, um, I am most likely going to be pretty busy, I guess, sort of at the end of this month. I'm not really sure how bad it's gonna be, so I mean, I'll let everyone know how like my schedule is gonna be and stuff, and when I'll have time to actually sit down and like record. Um, but as far as I know, I'm gonna be free a lot less, so the videos, I guess they're probably gonna be like maybe like 2 a week, maybe. I really don't want to go like so little, but it just might have to be that way, depending on how much time I end up like, getting to myself. But yeah, just to let all of you know, I'll definitely say something in my Discord and also on my Twitter if things like that do actually end up happening. So, yeah, I just kind of wanted to say something now. I feel like now is like a good moment. But I just hope that I don't have to end up making 2 videos a week, because that's like nothing. But, anyways, um, back to rambling about anything. One thing to ramble about is this movie that I had just watched. I had already seen it, but I actually just rewatched it. It's called Over the Moon. I don't know if anyone's familiar with it, but Honestly, it's so good. Like it's an amazing movie. I just love, like, for those of you who have seen the movie, I love like the whole story of like Chang'e and Hoi. Like I don't know, everything about like it's just so cool. Like I love the animation, like the singing, like everything is it's so good. It's such a good movie. If you haven't watched it, like go watch it right now. Like okay, maybe not right now. After we're done eating, go watch it. If you can, if you have time. If you don't, then do what you had to do and then watch the movie. I just want to make sure, everyone is okay to watch it. It's actually kind of a sad movie too. I don't know, it has some sad parts. It's not a generally like it's not an overall like sad movie though. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. The ending is really happy. Like it's a good ending. It just so happens that some parts of the movie might make you tear up a little bit. But like overall it's a pretty like happy movie. It's like an uplifting movie. So, if you're not really into sad movies, um I honestly don't think you're not gonna like it. Like I think you'll probably still enjoy it. It's just some parts are a little, sad. But like the ending is like lovely though. It's a really good ending. Um I don't really know if that kind of spoils it. Uh no it doesn't. No, it definitely doesn't. I take it back. I feel like that's just letting you know that you're not going to be crying at the end of the movie. So, yeah, go watch it. It's on Netflix. It should be. I'm not entirely sure. I remember watching it on Netflix the first time I watched it, but like this time I didn't use Netflix, so I don't know. But it should be though because I believe it's like a Netflix original. It's almost like a Disney movie. Like it kind of reminds me of that, but it's not a Disney movie. So, yeah, it's a great movie though. That's all I have to say. And I'm not going to say anything else about it. And actually, speaking of like movies and stuff, this is kind of a ramble about me, but I don't actually like watching like TV shows that much. Only because like I am really, really bad at finishing things. So I can't really commit to a show. Like I just can never like finish the whole thing. Unless it's literally like 12 episodes, one season, like I can do it. But like if not, I might just not finish the show or anime, whatever it is. Like I'm just really bad at it. And that's why I watch so many movies because it's just like, okay, I'm gonna sit down for literally like 100 minutes to maybe 200 minutes, and that's it. Like it's done. And, you could say, like, oh, like sitting down for 200 minutes, that's like 10 episodes of an anime or whatever, like you can say that, that's true. But honestly, that's for one, that's like a super long movie, and most movies that I watch aren't really that long. And two, like, I don't know, it's just how movies like escalate with like plot and stuff, how it just kind of like gets to the point faster. I don't know, I just like shorter things, and movies are just so much shorter than shows. So that's why I love them so much. Like literally, all of my friends are always like, "Oh, Jay, like, why can't you finish this? Like, why can't you just watch an anime with me? Like, I just can't do it. They're just too much of a commitment for me. I'm just so bad." Not to mention, like, it's so difficult for me to get into like a show if I don't already really like the concept. By that I mean um, like for example, I tried to watch Evangelion, and I remember watching like the first two episodes, and everything was just so like boring to me that I just couldn't continue watching it. And I have a friend that loves it, and he says it's really good, and I believe him. I believe him very much. It's probably great, but like I can't sit through it. And he literally told me, he's like, "Jay, like the first couple episodes are gonna be really really boring, but like trust me, like you have to sit through it." And I was like, okay, it's fine. And then I sat through two, and then I turned off. Like I just couldn't. I couldn't watch it anymore. I just couldn't do it. And I also feel like a lot of you may do the same thing. I don't think I'm that weird. I think there's people that are just like me. But yeah, I love movies. This video is actually going a lot longer than I expected it to. Um, I feel like it's because I got a lot of fruit. Like, what happened was I got like I said, I got two bowls, and one was filled with oranges and the other one was filled with grapes. And I already ate the bowl of oranges, so now I just have like a bowl full of grapes. And honestly, like, even if I were to sit here and eat these grapes as fast as I could, um, I don't think I would be able to finish it within, I don't know, it would take me at least like 5 to 10 minutes. And since we're already at like 20 something minutes by now, um, I have one more thing to ramble about. So I'm gonna ramble, we're gonna eat, and then we can close the video out. Because I don't want to make this video too long. Or honestly, maybe I should. Maybe I should start changing like the length of my videos. I have no idea if I should or not. Like I don't even know if 20 minutes is too short. Honestly, like I have no idea. I just felt like it was a good number to start making these videos at. But anyways, I already know the thing that I want to ramble about. So, that one thing is Instagram. I've actually had an Instagram for a good bit now, but I've never really said anything until now, obviously. some of you have actually found me on Instagram, which I don't know. I didn't really expect anyone to. Just like because I never mentioned it, but it is just like my YouTube. It's the same name. It's itsjaysmr. So you could just look me up, follow me. I haven't posted anything yet. Um, you don't have to follow me, by the way. But I just want to say that I made one. I don't really know what I'm ever going to post, but I know for sure I'm gonna use it at some point. But yeah, no, I made it probably like 4 weeks ago, something like that. Uh, I think there's like literally 14 of you that started following me. Or yeah, no, it's 14. So yeah, if you're interested, I'm gonna start. Actually, no, I did say that I had an Instagram. I didn't like formally say it, but like I put it in my YouTube descriptions. I put all of my socials and stuff down there. So if you have found it, I believe that's where you probably looked. If not, you probably just searched, which I guess is pretty close. I mean, if you search me on Google or whatever, that's probably going to come up. But anyways, yeah. I feel like it's kind of difficult to use Instagram since I don't really want to show my face yet. Um, I don't really know if I ever would, but I just know that I don't want to right now. So I don't really know what I would like post as I was saying. But the only thing that I can actually think of is like, I guess we're just making updates on there, like channel updates, like I do on my Twitter and in my Discord. But also maybe just like sort of just like life things. Like I like photography a lot, and I take a lot of pictures. So like outdoor photography, I mean. So maybe I'll post some of that on there. I'm not really sure, but I'll figure something out. Like I said, like something is going to go in there. I did not make it for nothing, believe me. I know there's a lot of Instagram accounts out there that just kind of don't really post anything, and I don't really blame them. Sometimes you just want Instagram to use it and not post, but I am going to post something. I don't think it's gonna be like soon, at least. Not until I figure it out, obviously, but I will. And actually, one thing that I could post too, because I don't only like outdoor photography, I also really like cars. I'm kind of a car person, so maybe I'll post some of that too. Um, I kind of want it to be more of, like, I know I said like life stuff, but like obviously my life. Like I want it to be like a little more personal. Not like too personal though. Like I don't want to get like, like I said, I'm not showing my face or anything like that's a lot like where I am or anything like that. But I don't know, I want it to be a little more personal so like people can get to know me a little more. So yeah, it's just most likely gonna be photography from what I'm thinking right now. But if any of you have any ideas, you can let me know in the comments, please, because that would probably help out a lot. because the only thing I have in my mind is photography right now. So please, you are all welcome to throw ideas at me. Okay. Now we're actually. Okay, actually, no, I have no idea how long I've been recording for. But all I know is that it's been a while. So, with that being said, we're going to take one last bite together, even though this technically isn't my last bite, because I have a decent amount of grapes left. I have like a handful, but I can't record forever. So, we're going to do this together as we always do. So, on one, we're going to take the last bite. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I actually don't regret getting raspberry tea with this fruit combination. It was actually pretty good. But anyways, I hope all of you enjoyed your meal or your snack along with your drink. And I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone's feeling a little bit better after watching this. And I love you all so much. I care about you all a lot. And I will see all of you in the next eating support video, which will be next week on time, hopefully. Take care, sweethearts.